Hi, my name is Attorney Walter Rudolph Hnot III. I'm with Disability Resolution PA, an Orlando Orange County-based Social Security disability law firm. Let's go ahead and talk about question 19 of the top 15 ALJ trick questions that you could see in your disability hearing. I know we're on 19, supposed to go to 15, but I'm just doing these things as they kind of pop up in my head. Okay. Question. I'm homeless. So says John, the claimant. So states him. I've got leg problems. Where do you live, John? I live in the woods. How far into the woods? About 200 feet. No, this is how it always comes out. The way it always comes out is, well, I live far enough in so that nobody can see me. Setup. Far enough in. How far can you walk? You got back and knee and hip issues. Well, how far in would you say that is? Oh, I'm not really sure. Well, if you put it in feet, what would you say? 200 feet. 200 feet into the woods. Now we go to statute stuff. Any tree logs, branches, things that you have to crawl over, curbs. Oh, there's a couple. Boom. Outside of statute now. Or you could call it SSA law. I call them all statutes, but I know statute has a limited meaning into, the state yada yada. But I use statute for all types of, law that was created. So walk me through this. You are able to walk over some tree stump here or there, tree log, thing. Yeah. John, claimant, agrees. Strong, yes, that's an affirmation. Okay. What do you have back there? Oh, I've got a tent, I've got a tarp. What else? Oh, I've got a grill, propane tank. What kind of propane tank? Oh, just your standard 20-pounder propane tank, which, aren't 20 pounds when you fill them up. Oh, okay. How'd you get the propane back there? Oh, I walked it back. Or my favorite, which is where they really get you. Oh, I used a cart to bring it back. I rolled it back. Well, then how did you get it over the stump? Oh, I have other homeless people help me. That's one of the things. How far into the woods? How far into the woods? Great trick question. Okay. My name is Attorney Walter Rudolph Hnot III. I'm with Disability Resolution PA, an Orlando Orange County-based Social Security disability law firm. If you have any questions at all, please don't be afraid to shoot me an email, give me a call, shoot me a text. You want the most up-to-date information, you want a custom video made, that's fine. Okay. I try to do as many of these as I can, but remember, I also do more hearings and have more claimants than most disability attorneys practicing in the United States in total. So just keep in mind, I have a lot of claimants, and it's hard to do all this stuff, and then, Friday, Saturday, Sunday night, record these videos. All right? My name is Attorney Walter Hnot. I'll catch up with you later. We'll go from there. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.